today I'm going to do a collab recording with Vested, so you can watch his videos on Vested MC. Okay, so wait, let me just talk to him. Hi Vested, are you there?
Yeah, Shivak, I'm here.
Okay, yeah.
So this is my
So
friend
Vested
Shivak,
is
everyone.
back,
This is my friend Shivak.
and this is my
Hi
friend
Shivak.
Vested over
Hi
here.
Shivak. Yeah, hi Shivak's fans, everybody.
Hi Vested fans.
Anyway, so Shivak, are we
Okay.
going to be playing a custom or a private? Or
Uh,
like a public?
let me just find a public game first.
Alright, so I'll join you. Send me the link, okay?
Okay.
Also, I've never played on the Krunker app itself before, so okay, join. There's a join place, and okay, yeah, I got
No,
it.
see, so what happens? What like I'm just sending you the link. You need to
And I have to put
copy
in
it.
the
No,
join thing, yeah, I know.
I like you need to copy it, and then
In the
you
join.
just need to press the join button. Then it automatically takes it.
I know. There's a link in there.
Okay.
Anyway, so send me the link. Is it like
Yeah,
a
1 minute.
public or is it a custom public?
It's a normal public, like not a custom game.
Alright. Basically, guys, how it works. If you play a public game, you can get XP and KR, which is the currency of Krunker. And otherwise, if you play like a private game, then you won't get level ups and XP, but you can play with people you choose.
Yes,
So yeah, we're gonna
but
be playing a public right now.
yeah. So for more information, you can watch my tutorial video on Shivank Best.
Yeah, check out his channel. It's called Shivank Best. The link will be in the description. Also, join our Discords and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this.
And also join Wested's YouTube. Also subscribe to Wested's YouTube channel. The link will also be in the description.
Yes, he is being very nice right now. Yes, do go ahead and do that. My YouTube
Okay.
channel is very nice. I stream every day, so yeah. Oh, I got the link.
Okay,
Let
you
me
got
copy
it.
that.
Just
Yeah, I got the link.
okay. So
Okay,
I'm with a
and
sniper here.
join. Whoopsies! I copied the Shivang Banerjee part also. Join. Okay, so guys, now the game is loading in. I am in the game now. Well, it's loading, connecting, and yeah, there we are. I'm in the game. So this game has a bunch of classes, which is cool. And yeah, so right now it's just me and Shivang.
Okay, so I'm with a
This game has a
sniper
bunch of
over
classes. I
here.
am using the default class. So God, my friend is calling me. Okay, that's fine. I'm not talking. I'm not. I can't talk to him right now.
Okay, so
Anyways,
now
where
let's
is Shivang?
see where is Wested. Oh, by the way, just to inform you, his actual name is Abhinav.
Yes, my actual name is Abhinav.
Wait, what? I'm having some glitch. Let me just reload it. I'm just reloading the page, guys.
Yeah, alright, alright. So you
Yeah.
left the game. He left the game basically and he's rejoining now.
Yep.
Anyways. And I'll be back when he's back in the game.
Okay, so now it's connecting. Okay, yeah, so I'm back.
Alright, so guys, he's back and now other people are also joining. For example, Aki Lucky. I just
Aki
killed him.
Lucky.
He's like really high level.
Oh,
Really high level compared to me. I'm level 4, he's 27.
and I'm level 10.
Yeah, and my friend is level 10. Sure, he's level 10. So yeah.
Oh, this guy's a higher level guy.
Yeah.
Oops. So it's going to be hard against him. I can't even see Vested. Oh, I almost killed him.
I killed him!
Oh, finally.
And I also killed Shivang.
And you killed me.
Me?
Answer to my question was I killed him.
Oh, cool.
I was asking 10-15 मिनट के अंदर हम start करेंगे
बोला भी
क्योंकि
क्या?
आपको भी मालूम है
No.
Okay, so
Shivang, I'll tell you how to cut that out of the video, guys. So do you know how to make cuts in the video? Wait, I don't know what editing software you use.
Oh, even I use OBS actually. And I killed him.
Yeah, he
Oh,
may.
and I killed that guy also. Unlucky.
I'm dead
And I
again.
killed
Okay.
Vested or Abhinav again.
Yeah, he killed me again. At least I'm gonna come second, if not first. First, I don't think I'll come. The Aki Lucky guy is gonna come first or third.
Yeah.
But I can come second. I just threw my knife at his face. I stabbed him to death.
Oh, so you're throwing knives also, okay? Even I could
Obviously.
throw it, but I'm saving my life, my knife, I mean.
Lol. But I lost, but I didn't
Defeat.
come last.
Okay.
So I'm gonna count that as a victory. Also down there where my mouse pointer is, that's where the chat is. I could do that, but I need to be level 5 for the messages to actually go through. Which is sad. But you know, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, don't make it TDM Shivanka. It's like one of us with the other person will be unfair. Make it FFA. Do FFA. Vote FFA.
Okay.
Because with team deathmatch, if one of us is with the good guy, the other person will be unfair.
Yes.
Also, I got 5 KR from that match, guys. Basically, like currency, like I said.
I got
You
2
can buy different
KRs.
weapon skins and skins for your character and stuff like that.
And you can see this free KR thing. You can click on that. It will show you a small ad. I think I told that to you in the tutorial video. It's going to show a small ad. So you need to watch that ad, and then you'll get some. You'll get a chance to spin.
Yes, for more information about Clunker, watch Shivank's tutorial on Clunker. It's a very nice video.
Wait. You're
I
killing
punched
with
you
a
to death.
knife.
I literally punched you to death. I didn't even have a knife.
Yeah, it's showing fist.
So I punched you to death.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna change my class, guys, because I don't like the Trigger Man class as a assault rifle. I use submachine gun, it's a lot better.
Yeah, SMG
in my
is
opinion.
better.
And I'm also a higher level with that, so I'll get cooler skins. I missed! Oh no! I missed! That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Well... Running away, I see.
Oh, that unlucky guy also killed me with the fist.
And that's because your pro did it. Oh, I killed him. Wait, so he missed with his knife and then killed you with the fist? Relatable. Very, very relatable.
Okay, after this match we can play some custom game. Oh, then you can press Alt and you can try vote kicking that Lucky or whatever is his name.
Yeah, but
guy.
I'm not kicking him out.
Oh, I tried to vote kick him. It's showing that player too high level to kick.
Yeah. I guess he's too high of a level. I don't know how that works. I have not gotten that high level ever. I'm level 4, so yeah. God,
Oh,
my aim is bad.
I killed Vested, but the lucky guy killed me.
Yeah. That's fine. Fine. And now Shivank is gonna kill me. Shivank!
Third
Wow,
party.
certainly not the best.
Oh, Vested. I call you Vesty Wolf.
Bestie.
Bestie? No, Vesty.
I am bestie the best. I am bested.
Who's that guy? Oh, there's a new guy.
Plays. Or MMB plays. Very nice. Okay, so after this game, guys, we're going to play some custom games so we can become like custom maps. We'll play a parkour map called Tower of God. It's very nice.
Tower of God, okay, yeah.
We'll try a new parkour map that I haven't yet played, that neither of us have played. That'll be fun. Like, this is one I saw, but I saw it. So we can try that also. Sounds like fun. Oh, MMP plays is good.
Just to tell you that after you reach level 10, you can join some clans in Krunker, and
Yeah,
then
and once you reach level 5, you can talk in the chat.
there are clan wars, so you can participate in those.
Yeah. Wait, me and Aki are tied. Okay, never mind. Not me. No. Games all are over. We can get leave. You want to say that?
Oh no, it's over. Oh, we all were at the same place.
Or all of us.
Okay, so should I make it Tower of God, or you are making
You know what? Let me make one. I know the good
Okay,
one.
yeah,
So
you
guys,
make
basically,
it.
I'm gonna get a custom game now. I'm gonna go right here. Actually, I don't heard. How about a zombie game?
it? Yeah, you
Like
can
zombie
you can
defense.
find. Then if you want to play zombie defense, then don't make it. Like find a public
Let's find
server.
one. Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Not zombie defense 4, but like normal
First,
zombie defense.
yeah, zombie defense 4 is really bad.
Yeah.
So servers, and here you can find zombie defense. Not 4. I want the regular zombie defense. 'Cause it's a
Till
lot
that
better.
time, I'm playing this public game only. Till the time you're making the game.
Alright, I can't find a regular zombie defense.
You can't. Okay, let
Let me
me.
just search it again. I'm sorry.
Don't search it. Go to the servers option and yeah. No, I found a normal zombie defense. Okay.
Oh, cool. Okay, then you
3 out
send
of
me the.
6. Yeah.
Oh,
This
I also
one's-
found one, but it's fine. You send me.
Okay, yeah. I just joined it.
the link.
Loading. Okay, so it's connecting. And yeah, it's almost there.
Alright. I cut this part out of the video.
Okay, so invite. Copied. Okay, so Wested, I'm sending you the link. Yeah, I sent it. Wait, I sent it somewhere else. But did you
sent
get
in
it?
the other group?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, how many people are there? Oh, join fast.
I join. Why isn't it working? Stop. Oh god, what? No, stop.
I'm having such a bad ping. I'm having 192 ping.
Yeah, no, it's already some kind of like other kind of thing.
Oh, where did that guy go? Oh yeah, I'm having a bad ping. Did you join the game, Vested?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh, by the way, I can kill that guy with my knife. Like I can throw my knife on that person. Oh no, I wasted my knife.
Okay, so that guy got killed. It's fine.
Oh, now break the door. Or if you
This is an infection map. What
you can do
happens
some
is-
parkour at the back.
That is where I am right now. So this is basically an infection map. What you're supposed to do here, there are humans and zombies, and the zombies have to infect the humans. The humans have to survive, and the humans live in this castle. And there is a door in the front, but it takes time to break that door. So, and there's this parkour in the back. We're doing the parkour. The parkour.
Oh yes, I did it for the first time.
I keep on falling off because I'm so good at parkour.
You keep on
Okay, I-
falling off because you're good.
That's why I fall off. Where is this guy?
Oh
there he is.
no, that guest 3 killed me.
Whee! Okay,
If-
press right click and then left to throw a knife. Yes, we know Mr. Beast. Oh wait, yeah, Mr. Beast.
Guest 3 is killing me. If I was the host, I would have simply banned him.
Yes, I know. That is like you. Guys, his front gate is now open, and I think that guy just killed him.
No, guest 3 is alive.
He's alive. That's
Yeah.
good.
By the way, how do you climb up here? I never know how to climb this thing. I think we can try out some wall jump and stuff.
This
No, you have to go to the, you have to go to the back.
I want to know push, man. That's what the fucking point is.
Or no.
There's a charge. Okay.
There it
And other
goes.
thing, right?
Oh no, shut up. No one cares about you.
Abbe.
Right?
That's my brother in the background.
Oh my God.
Oh god, I fell down again. I hate that.
Okay, so it's hard to climb up. How do you even go up there?
Oh, if I just stop falling and dying,
You go up from the back or what?
I got killed.
From where do you even go up?
I'll tell you if I can get into the castle.
Oh, you need to be inside the castle? Come here. Yeah, just
Got killed.
you got killed. Okay.
I hate that guy.
I wish to ban him.
Sadly, how can you stop abusing? I'm recording it. See, there it goes. It is screaming so much.
Can you just do a quick slide hop? Yeah.
I was.
Good, you came in. You came in. You
Come
came
with
in.
me.
Where?
Back. Oh, we won.
Victory. Yeah, someone killed him. Guess two.
There's a parkour on that back right wala castle. Anyways, guys, I had to cut out that game for reasons I cannot possibly explain. That's fine.
Which game?
This current game, Shivam, because of my brother. I'm cutting this out.
Wait, even I need to cut it out in that case.
Yeah, just a moment, Shivang. I have to do something.
Okay, so I joined the next game, Vested, waiting for
Now
you.
he's being. Alright, guys, we're in the next game now. And hopefully, I won't be infected this time. I can show you what it's like to be a person.
Oh, my game is lagging a lot. Okay,
Okay,
no
we're not
problem.
infected. So there's guns over there. We should grab some guns.
No need to grab some guns. I have my
I only
SMG
the
with me.
crossbow is free and the pistol is free, but that's fine.
And now I'm going to camp out here, but there's a disadvantage that people can throw their knife on me.
Even you can throw the knife on them. Your knife on
Yes,
them.
but I can just throw it once. Like, if I die, then only
Yeah,
I'll get a new knife. And if I die, then I will become a zombie.
Yes.
Oh,
This
even
is
you
where
are
you get, where you go to that corner one from. You have to go from here.
From here to. Let me just break the door. Should I break the door?
Let me check the volume of OBS. It is louder than my top. Shoot once. Shoot.
Shoot.
Shoot. Okay, that's a little bit too loud. Let me decrease the volume. Alright, guys, the shooting was a little loud. The volume is better now. Where are the infected?
They are
Oh, no,
outside.
Beast man. There's only one infected guy.
And I think that guy is camping out there.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to break the door.
Okay. I think Vested you can use your SMG to do that.
I don't have an.
You don't have an SMG? So which gun do you have? You must be having some sniper.
Let's go. I'm gonna go down there with my knife and just smack this in the face until it's dead. So,
But it's going to be dangerous for you.
fair enough. I'm stopping that. Okay, what is this bunker? Okay, 800 points.
800 points.
Basically, this number next to our names is the points we have. You get that by killing. And, well, I would get that except that guy's not dying. He's
See,
not
so
even
if I
coming to
press
us.
tab, so you can see Shivang best 0 because I have 0 kills. So I have 0 points currently. So when I'll have more kills and more points, then I can take new guns and open that bunker.
So basically, KR is the bunker currency. And
No, KR is not involved in this thing.
KR is the currency of official bunker.
By the way, where did you go, Abhinav?
I'm outside with this guy, shooting
What?
him in the face.
Oh no, wait,
There.
I fell down. Okay, so
Okay, I'm
I'm
literally
just
outside the
climbing up.
castle.
So 1 minute, I'm just climbing up here. So as you can see, I'm up here and I'm just shooting at the gate and I'm trying to kill people, but there's only one person infected, so
I'm infected too. I'm literally stuck out here.
yeah,
with
so
this guy.
go and get infected.
So I want to protect you.
Should I open the gate?
Help me open the gate.
Oh, that guy's behind you.
I killed him. God.
Oh, finally you killed him. Good. You have a crossbow, so it will help.
Someone help me. Someone come out. I can't be out here alone.
Oh yes, come in.
Oh yeah, the door's broken. Okay, now I can, do this kind of shit.
Abhinav, mind
I am
you.
going to shoot him in the face until he is dead forever and ever 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 again.
By the way, just to tell everyone that if you get 25 kills, then you can do a nuke. Like you
So he
can
has
kill.
killed in a row without dying. Not just 100 kills.
Yeah, without dying. Yeah, without dying. Dying is important. Like,
Okay, the infected guy just left the game. Now someone has to sacrifice themselves.
can you go and sacrifice yourself?
No, you sacrifice yourself.
No.
And I'll
Wait.
do it.
Oh, did you? Yes, you did.
Yeah, I did.
So now it will be fun to kill you. But wait, I'm going to my secret hideout first. Because I think that you're going to kill many people.
Oh no! I died! I know!
Actually, no, I'm coming up there only. Oh, you're trying to camp?
I'm not camping, I'm just hiding.
really?
Ow, 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 ow.
You wanted that last time? Wait, are you sure it's a
Krunker is lagging a lot for me today. So I'm going to my secret place only because I can't shoot you properly from there.
Wait.
Ah!
That is exact same as one.
I died. Possible, they just spawn killing me. I can't go anywhere if they keep on doing this. I don't like it. I understand why the other guy
No, I
has
have
that.
a scope there, my first gun.
I think you should kill someone, or should we find some other game?
I'm being
Yeah, I can't do anything here.
Yeah, actually, let's play some other game. Like, this is not that fun. Have you tried out this Parkour Dreams?
Good.
I'm level
Or wait, have you tried out this in
I don't know what this is.
in
so, like-
Nukeburg?
What?
In Nukeburg.
Nuke Pork? Absolutely not. Let's do some parkour. I feel like
Yeah, let's try out this Parkour Dreams. It's something
Hey,
new.
there's someone more infected. The really good guy.
Okay, so wait, are you leaving this game or what?
I am.
So I'm just finding out a new parkour game. So over here, yeah. So I'm just going to kill him. So now, wait 1 minute, guys.
Guys, this is going to be the last game I play in this video. Because it's already been about half an hour of recording. I need to cut this down to about 15-20 minutes.
What happened?
So yeah,
Yeah.
do that.
But I don't
Shivank, are
know.
you creating the game or am I creating the game?
Wait.
Shivank?
The worst feature of Fortnite
Okay, I
is
know
chapter
one. I know
No
one.
guarantee chest bones.
Okay.
They're removing POIs
Oh,
apparently.
there's literally no
We
one.
need to like have a
Okay,
smaller
parkour. Let me do some parkour.
So now Wested is creating a new game called Parkour.
I'm just gonna
Like,
make a
I'm not
custom game because
sure.
there's no
He's
servers
just
already.
making some parkour game. What parkour game are you making? Wested, tell
There's
fast.
one really good one that I like heard about called Wild
And I
Parkour.
have a great choice.
Wild parkour? Okay, go for it.
What?
Okay, make it.
I am.
Combat
And till the time you're making it, I'm risking my life. I'm going to the
What?
zombie place. Oh, wait.
Okay. Alright.
Combat in the game. Good.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
It is. It's no good. Like, the damage is really bad.
Where was the link for? I did it again. The success share
Yeah,
the
I
link
did.
thing is shown.
Guys,
Where do I
go to
get
map
the
and then
link?
go on this fish. I
Just
do
click
it.
on invite. Click on
Okay,
invite.
yeah. Okay.
I'm at 40, bro.
And now send the link. What's
did.
the name
I
of the
Good
game?
for you, man.
Oh, you sent it over there. Okay. So, what is the name of the game?
Wild.
Wild Parkour?
Yeah.
I'm going catty again. Like, I don't know.
Control C. Okay.
Yo, Adhiraj, this is gonna kill me. No combat and charge of still like.
Okay, so I'm joining it.
It's a parkour game. In Conquer. This is basically you have to jump across these
With
platforms,
no patch notes.
and once you get to the end of a particular level,
With no patch.
you get a checkpoint, so that and a point. So if you fall down, you'll get teleported back to the checkpoint, and you also get a point. So I have 3 points now because there were 2 free points at the back.
So
And
wait,
they're all like
have
hidden
we
points.
have we played this game before? Like,
I think we have, yeah.
okay.
Oh god, what am I doing? I'm usually quite good at this.
Wild Parkour. Oh, wait, let me just try it out. Oh,
So you see that
this
yellow-
one.
see those yellow
No,
points?
this one is not at all good.
Yes, it is.
No, I get stuck in one point.
We all help you. So you guys see this yellow point? That is a free point, basically. You're supposed to. This is a really thin platform here.
And I
Okay,
can't
but
see you, by the way. Where are you?
I am.
Can you
over
see me?
I see you right there.
Wait, I think I can't see you. Wait, I need to refresh.
Right.
Actually, no need to refresh.
I'm already.
Or wait, let me
There's
just
3
refresh.
points everywhere.
I'm refreshing, okay? So guys, you can join our Discord servers. The link is in the description. And over there there
my
are
server and his link will be in my description. So will his channel.
Yeah,
Actually, you know what? For the
same.
channel, I'll put a card on screen right now. It's on the top right of your screen. Go check it out.
Yes, the same card will be on my screen.
A card to your own channel. What do you mean?
What? Yeah, means on my channel.
Lol. Okay. Well,
Okay, where are you? I still can't see.
and
you.
I have 10 points.
Can you see me?
Level that. Yeah, you're way back there. I see you.
I can't even see your name tag.
I can see your name tag.
Okay, the starting part of this parkour is quite easy, but after that it becomes very hard. So
Very hard, but hard.
yeah, kind of hard. Like hard to do it.
And I have experience with parkour because of Minecraft. There's a
So
bunch of
this
parkour
is
maps
a
right now.
Neo. So let's try this out.
You know, like Android jumps in Minecraft, and I really hate Android jumps.
I don't like Minecraft at all.
You know, you get dizzy when you watch Minecraft.
Yeah, I saw your 2-3 streams on Minecraft. You should stream Krunker and Roblox.
I don't play Roblox anymore, and
Oh.
I'm not streaming Krunker. My main the main content of my channel is Minecraft.
Oh yeah, Vested MC.
Exactly. But it's not just that. Minecraft is the game I love the most. I've also been playing it for the longest. I've played for 8 years now. So aren't you getting the extra point?
Nope. I am focused on the parkour, not on the extra point. I still can't see you. I don't know for
I'm
some
right
reason.
next to you. Literally right next to you.
I can't even see you. Okay.
This is the
So
only hard level in this entire thing.
oh, I was in the last brick, or what do you call these? The last stick.
Rod.
Yeah, rod stick, whatever.
Yeah, same thing, same thing. Oh, why?
No, this is. Wait, even you are in this level?
Right next to you. Literally standing inside you right now.
But I can't see you at all. And
No, don't reload your page. You'll get to the
and
start.
wait, let me tell you my ping. It's 164, 180. It's 215.
My ping is 140, but that's because this server is based in the USA or something.
What? Oh,
This server is based on the
get
Eastern
it.
Coast.
Yeah, that's why it's having a high ping for me also.
Yeah, if it was based on the western coast of US, we would be fine. But we're in India, so no connections to the eastern coast. Like no good connections.
I was having a bad ping in the first public game which we played.
The first public
That
game I
was
was fine. I
India.
had like 20 ping.
Yeah, that was of India only.
Yeah, exactly. I had like 20 ping.
Okay, Wested, I'm on the last part and I did it.
Nice. I got the extra point, but I haven't done it yet. And because I've got every single extra point, I have 4 more points than you have. You are one level ahead of me actually, so I should have 5 more points than you in total.
Yes, that's true. But over here, I can't like see what to do over here. Like there's
There's a Neo there, a huge Neo.
a Neo. Okay. Oh,
That's maybe it.
okay. I did this. Where's the Neo? Oh, this one.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I made it!
I came till here. Now where to go from here?
Monk, you came to the wrong place. That is the extra point.
Oh, which I did not want
back.
it at all. Yeah, good that I died.
Obviously, who wouldn't want to die?
This parkour is a bit tough.
That tough. I mean, some of them, yes, they definitely.
I have crossed that level for. Oh, is this a Neo? This thing?
No, that's not a Neo.
So where is the Neo?
There is a Neo though in the main thing. Not only in the extra point, there's also a Neo in the main part.
In this checkpoint or in the next one?
In this one, green alien
Okay.
thingy one.
Where is the checkpoint? See, I'm standing over here. I can't
Yeah,
see.
now in front of you, there's that wall. You have to jump around that wall.
Oh, this wall. Oh, this is going to be.
The other side.
This is hard. Wait. This is so hard.
Really hard.
Yeah.
Is it really though?
So that's a Neo. Okay. And why is that Neo over there? I don't like that Neo at all.
Yeah, I
What
know.
the
It's
hell?
not that.
So over here. Where are you, by the way?
I am right behind you.
I
Right ahead
can't
of
see
now,
you, but
considering
you
fell
can
off.
see me, but I can't see you. I'm over
Oh, no.
here now. Here. Now I'm
You
jumping
can
over
skip
here.
these things, right? You can just skip
So-
one at a time.
Maybe let's play some other game and then I'm going to end my recording.
I will end my recording after this one only because it's already been like half an hour. 45
Yeah.
minutes probably.
So wait, I'm just finding some other game. Maybe you can also play it. And then I'm going to end the recording. Have you tried this basketball hip hop? Basketball
No.
hop.
No.
It's parkour. Let's try out that and then you can end recording.
Well, I'm already in the medieval part. I finished that level. I'm in the next part of this thing.
Wait, I'm just making a server, so maybe you can join this one if you wish to.
Yeah, sure.
Because parkour, like, yeah, you can do parkour alone, but it's good with someone else.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, please wait. The server is starting. So now, yeah. So I have started it. I'm sending you the link. So 1 minute. I'm just sending you the link over here. Yeah, I sent you the link. Did you get it?
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
Actually.
you must have now. You now must have got it. Oh, wait, what? We need to put the ball in the net. Throw your knife at the. Oh, yeah. So what happens in this? That our knife changes into a basketball. Oh wow.
Nice. Okay, I'm joining that.
Yeah, no, seriously, try this out. It's a very good game. We
So
can
yeah,
play
I'm just
this.
doing that only. Control C and oh
Oh,
sweat.
this bar.
Sweat.
What happened?
Sweat.
What
Game not
happened?
found. What? Game not found. Shut up, stupid game. Game is found. Don't lie to me.
Okay, let me just send the link to you once again.
No, I got the link. I got the link. I got the link.
Did you join it?
I got the link. I got the link. I got the link. I got the link. I got the link.
Okay. Did you join it? Oh, so
I am. It's connecting.
oh yay, I did it.
The knife has a basketball.
Yes, that's what
Throw
I'm
your
telling.
knife at the hoop. by
See,
pressing L.
first you have to like, you know, right? How to shoot the knife. So we do it like
I
that
do.
only.
Yeah, I did, but now my knife is gone. What do I do?
So die again. Like go into that red thing.
Oh,
Yeah, so you can go to the red thing. Then you'll get a checkpoint. Yeah, I got a checkpoint here.
oh shit, I missed.
Scooter ankle. Okay, good. So over here, I'm.
I missed again. Okay, I just died for some reason. That's like. Oh, come on.
So guys, I came to the next checkpoint. Wested, I came to the next checkpoint. Can you see me because I can't see you?
I can see you, yes.
See, wait. To get that ball, I'm jumping inside this red thing. Wait, what? I
We have
jumped
one.
inside this thing. No, wait. What's happening? Oh, maybe I'll do it once again and then I'll end the recording.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Dad!
Can you see me?
You're right next to me.
Wait, what? I need a
I'm literally
basketball.
smacking you in the face with a basketball. Right? Okay, now you're dead.
So even
I
you
don't know
are
where you
right
are
here.
anymore.
Oh yeah, I did it. I did the basket.
Cool. Well, I no longer know very.
Oh, again wall jump. I don't like wall jumps at all.
Jump.
Where did you go? Like, are you there or no? Wait.
But I'm here.
I'm dying all the time. It's easy to shoot the basket, but it's hard to do the wall jump and all parkour. No, the parkour is easy, but the wall jump.
Yeah, but there is no wall jump required.
There is. Wait, you where are you?
I am right behind you.
Yeah, so yeah, there is a wall jump over here. See?
No, there's not.
Yes,
So
there
I
is.
have to go.
Oh,
I am done recording anyway. I just finished recording.
okay. So here Wested has gone. So
Guys,
bye
guys,
guys.
guys.
Even I am ending the recording now. I'm like stopping the recording. I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.